In the previous lesson, we deleted records from our database using the SQL delete statement. As you can see, once the record is deleted, a success message is displayed, and we have to press the back button to go back to our main page. We can make the process more seamless by placing an automatic redirect once the record has been deleted. This will take the user back to the main page as soon as the record has been deleted. This can be done using the header function. The header function sends a raw HTTP header to a client. In order to use it, replace your echo statement in the deluser.php file with the following syntax. Here we've instructed the header function to go back to the delete.php page once the record has been deleted. So I'll save the file and I'll refresh. So I'm going to delete record 14, ID 14, and you can see that it redirects back to the page. This way you don't have to press the back button.